download AutoCAD or Inventor, just open autodesk.in. And when create your ID, then just sign up with your IITK email ID and then sign in. As I have already created an ID, that's why I'm directly signing in. And then go to my account section and then manage products and downloads. Click over there. Then you will find various products which are allowed with your ID, and you can freely download them because you are already licensed for that. And once you download that, then install that file. Please wait, it is opening. See, here is option for all products and services, so click over there. Here you can see it is clearly mentioned whatever is allowed, like AutoCAD one seat student single user, like we all have been allowed from IITK that on a single system we can use our IITK ID and then log in to get full license. Here somewhere you will find inventor as well. See, here this is inventor one seat student single user, and then you can download it. Okay, since already I have downloaded it, that's why it is showing about activation and all. Suppose you want to download AutoCAD, then just click over there and then click here downloads. Here also you can find help downloading and installing. Any help you are looking regarding installation, then you can click here or here. So I have clicked on downloads. And then it will guide automatically. See, it is telling about for Windows platform and Mac platform. So your Windows is running on 32-bit or 64-bit. As per that, you can download respectively. Just click here. Initially, it will download a shortcut, and then internally it will download full package. So you can click over there, and it will do all the stuff automatically. So these are the things regarding the downloading and installation. Once you download this package, when you will click here, it will start installation initially by downloading its installation package. And after installation, when you run it for first time, you will require to log in with the same ID through which you are downloading it on Autodesk. So log in with the same ID, and then automatically it will generate an product ID and password license key for you, and then it will be linked internally. And after that, you won't require internet connection because it is downloaded the license file, and then you can use smoothly. Thank you.